the hashtag Quinty Air Show. Hashtag QIAS 2024. Hashtag RCAF100. We can see each of your There's the Lancaster now right behind the Snowbirds. Their history, 431 Squadron, shares, of course, the iconic Lancaster history as well, so it's very fitting. As Dave and the rest of the crew from the Canadian Warplane Heritage Museum in Hamilton taxi the Lancaster back, a rare opportunity to see and hear it fly. One of only two still flying in the world today, the only one on this side of the pond. So many Canadians served